remove Gmail profile picture on mobile. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do, you have to switch login to the Gmail account, or switch to the Gmail account that you want to. You have to go to the Gmail account, and then you have to switch to the Gmail account that you want to remove the Gmail profile picture, and then you have to click on the uh, your profile picture in the top right corner, and then you have to click on the Google account. When you click on the Google account, you have to click on go to the personal info tab, and when you go to the personal info tab, you have to you can see the you have to scroll the down, and here you can see that you have to go to about me. When you click on the about me here, and then in the basic info tab, in the here you can see the manage your profile picture. When you click on the manage your profile picture here, then you come to this page. So when you click on the remove, then you have to click on the remove, and here you can see the your profile picture is updated. Your Gmail profile picture is removed or deleted, and it will set to your first letter of your username. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, I appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. Have a good day.